Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I'm gonna review KGM Torres after 1 month of use. I bought this car 30 days ago and I will tell you all good stuff and some bad stuff about this car. So please stay tuned to learn more. I bought this car about 1 month ago and I drive with it about 1000 kilometers. This is KGM Torres 4-wheel drives automatic gearbox. It has a lot of equipment. It has this Nexon all-season tires with 235/55 R18 aluminum wheels. It's gorgeous. It has space black color. It has full LED lights, daylights, short lights. Torres has keyless entry, and when you open it, it lights up and welcomes you with a welcome message. When you want to switch it off, just put it in parking and press the start-stop button. This car has keyless entry. You just press the button and it unlocks. It also unfolds the mirrors. When you look inside, the car has nice leather seats with this leather inserts and these aluminum pieces, which looks so gorgeous. It has steering wheel with leather. It's heated steering wheel. It's so beautiful. You have 3 screens. You have this display, this radio and navigation screen, and this screen for climate control. Now let's start this Torres with this start-stop button. This Torres startup is very easy. Just use this start button. It has 3 screens. Here you can see board computer and some gauges. This one is for radio, navigation and things like that. This one is for climate control, heating seats and things like that. You can easily adjust temperature, AC on and off, heating seats. Here you can heat front seats. Here you can you have some options for heating front windscreen, rear windscreen, auto hold. You can turn on and off this automatic start. Here you have all-wheel drives lock. Here you can see it. Now it's locked. You can see it also here. Let's unlock it. When we are talking about space inside, I'm 1.90 meters and I have a lot of space in this cabin. I will show you the head space. Look at this. And you can even put a seat more down, so you can have a more head space. Let's now look at behind. Look, when it comes to behind, you also had a lot of space here. You can see this leg room. It has more than 1 fist for leg room, and let's see the headroom. And for the headroom you have more than 1 fist. Look at that. It's so great when it comes to space in the rear side. materials are pretty nice where you are touching them. This wheel has very nice leather. This seat has very nice leather. This cover here, and this place, it's also soft and plushy where you rest your arm. But here it's a hard plastic. Here, down there, it's also hard plastic. Dashboard is very soft and it has so beautiful stitching. You can look it here. The car itself has a very nice and smooth 1.5 GDI turbo petrol engine. Here you can see average consumption 10.6 liters, but I have to say I drive almost 80% in town. Just little under 20% is highway and open road. So when you drive in open road, you can go to, I don't know, 6-7 liters. In town maybe 11-12, and combine with my style of driving about 10.6 liters. It is very easy to use Android Auto. Just plug the cable in your phone and you can use any application. You can use Google navigation, play YouTube music or anything that you want from your mobile phone. When it comes to the rear end, look at this. It has power tailgate. It has a lot of space inside. You can see you can put some tools, I don't know, everything. These compartments here are very convenient. You can put anything you want. Down there it has full-size spare tires. You can put some tools, everything you need. It's so great. Full LED lights inside. You have this great cover. You can cover it without problem, and you can close it with this power tailgate. It's so great. Car is so beautiful. Few days ago I bought a new sofa from IKEA and some Besta furniture, and I put it all in this Torres. It's simply unbelievable how everything fits inside, and the Torres has such a huge boot with this great power tailgates. To see a real picture of it boot size, I will unload all these items so you can see how many of them fits in this KGM Torres. I folded rear bench and the boot size is now huge. Some of these pieces are more than 180-190 meters long and everything fits inside. It's so great and practical. Way better than some rivals from Japan or even Europe rivals. Here you can see boot size when it's empty. It's so huge and practical. Now let's take this KGM Torres to one smooth ride. It rides very well. It's so comfortable. The steering is easy and light. When you turn on this turn on signal, it is very pleasant sound and it's very easy to steer with this big car. This 1.5 petrol engine has enough power and you can accelerate without any problem. When you are stopping this heavy car, brakes are excellent. Driving this car is very easy. It has a lot of these safety features that prevent collision, that lane assist, steering assist, emergency braking, and all kind of these safety features. When you want to leave a lane without turn signal, it beeps and warns you. It also has great blind spot assist. When you want to turn and you have a car in your blind spot, it beeps and it has visual signal, a little red triangle in your side mirror. In 1 month I made with this car about 1000 kilometers. I drive it on a rain, on a sunny weather, and it was excellent in every condition for now. I'm so pleased with it. So, let me tell you some things about this car, what I like and what I don't like. I like its size. I was looking for a huge 4x4 with lot of room and safety features, and KGM Torres has it all. It's very comfortable to ride. It has great all-wheel drive system, great automatic AC gearbox with 6 speeds. Petrol engine is great. It rides very well. Acceleration is pretty solid. It's not the greatest, but enough for average family driver. Fuel consumption is little higher than average for this kind of car, but when you calculate its size and weight, it's acceptable to have that kind of fuel consumption. Also, great things about this car is lot of safety features like steering assist, lane assist, a lot of airbags, front airbags, side curtains, side airbags, rear airbags, a lot of safety features like lane assist, steering assist, departure assist, I don't know, everything. It has everything. I'm so delighted with all these systems. Now, things I don't like about this car. There is no lot of things that I don't like. I like it very much, but when we come to material, this hard plastic can be better. I mean, it's great quality built, but it would be nice to be soft. You know what I mean. So that is only one little thing that I don't like about this car, but everything else is great. It has a great practicality. Look at this bins. You can easily put 1 liter bottle inside. Here a lot of bins to put everything you need in this. Look at this part. This part is huge. It's easy to put, I don't know, everything. I can put easily this my shoulder bag. Look at that. You can put it all inside and you can close it without problem. It's great. I'm very pleased with space and practicality in this car. It has great Android auto connection. You can charge your phone here. You can even wirelessly charge your phone this part here. It's great. I'm very pleased with all features with this car. It has pretty good sized glove box. I hold this manual here and some personal things. It has very nice ventilation parts here. It's so great. Now I will show you the engine compartment. Here is the lever to open it up. It has these struts, so you need to put it by yourself. It's great. Look at this engine. It's very smooth. It's clean. It has very much space for mechanic to work when it's needed. It's very simple 1.5 petrol engine. Great engine. It is also, this kind of engine is in Corando models, Tivoli models. It's so great. So I'm very pleased with this car. Now look at this bright day LED lights. It's so gorgeous. So guys, this car is about 1 month in my ownership. I'm very pleased with it. I'm planning to have this car for about, I don't know, 7-8 years and then swap it for new model. I hope that you enjoy this video, so please like it and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.